In this video, I'm going to show you how to scroll vertically and horizontally in Draw.io, especially when you're working inside Jira. This is a very simple thing, but it often confuses beginners and even experienced users when they open a large diagram or table and suddenly can't move around the canvas properly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to move up, down, left, and right inside Draw.io without getting stuck. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, go to Jira and open Draw.io. You can do this by opening any Jira project where Draw.io diagrams are enabled. Once you're inside Jira, open an existing Draw.io diagram or create a new one. This is important because the scrolling behavior only becomes obvious once you're inside the actual diagram editor. After the editor loads, you'll see the main canvas area in the center where your diagram lives. This is where all your shapes, tables, and connections appear, and this is the area we'll be scrolling around. Next, select any diagram or table on the canvas. This step is optional, but it helps you understand how the canvas behaves when content extends beyond the visible area. If your diagram is large, you'll notice that not everything fits on the screen at once. This is very common when working with flowcharts, architecture diagrams, or wide tables. At this point, some users try to use their mouse wheel and think scrolling is broken, but Draw.io actually provides built-in scroll bars that are easy to miss. Now let's talk about vertical scrolling. On the right side of the Draw.io canvas, you'll see a vertical scroll bar. You can use this bar to scroll up and down through your diagram. Simply click and drag the bar to move vertically, or click in the empty space above or below the slider to jump up or down. This allows you to quickly navigate long diagrams without zooming in or out. If your diagram goes far down the page, this right sidebar is the fastest way to move through it. For horizontal scrolling, look at the bottom of the canvas. You'll see a horizontal scroll bar that lets you move left and right. This is especially useful for wide diagrams or tables that extend beyond the screen width. Click and drag the bottom bar to move across the canvas smoothly. This makes it easy to access content that's off-screen without resizing your browser or changing zoom levels. Using the vertical and horizontal scroll bars together gives you full control over navigating large diagrams. And that's really all there is to it. You now know how to scroll vertically and horizontally in Draw.io while working inside Jira. This small tip can save you a lot of frustration when dealing with complex or oversized diagrams. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Draw.io, Jira, and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.